Navigating the world of cooking oils can be confusing, with so many options claiming health benefits. But understanding the basics can make a big difference for your overall well-being. Here are a few of the top healthiest oils to consider adding to your pantry. Olive oil, extra virgin. This Mediterranean staple is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, known for their heart-healthy benefits. Use it for drizzling, salad dressings, and low-heat cooking. Avocado oil, with a high smoke point and mild flavor, avocado oil is versatile for sautéing, roasting, and grilling. It's packed with healthy fats and nutrients, including vitamin E. Coconut oil, while higher in saturated fat, coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which may offer unique health benefits. Opt for unrefined coconut oil and use it in moderation for baking or stir-frying. Flaxseed oil. This oil is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for brain health and reducing inflammation. However, it's best used cold, in salad dressings or added to smoothies, as heat destroys its beneficial properties. Remember to choose oils based on your cooking needs and dietary preferences. By incorporating these healthy oils into your diet, you can elevate your meals and contribute to a healthier lifestyle. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, so I can create more helpful tips. Thank you.